cooking. Gonna make us some food now.
All right, so the trick today is we've got to get some coals going. So we'll get a good little fire going, and we're going to cook that trevally in a hole. And what I want is I want the meat, I want the cooked flesh off, and I'm going to make up a little brew with it. And I've got this tin of Italian diced tomatoes. Got a tin of that.
You've gone all out.
I'm going to go all out. We're going to have a good little feed here on the beach in the afternoon. What do you reckon?
Sounds like a plan.
All right. So we want to reduce that down to coals. In the meantime, we'll probably hack up some coconuts and get them ready to go.
Cooking.
Some coconut to drink, mate?
Cooking some lunch, yeah.
Got your laughing gear around that, mate.
Oh, thanks, mate. That looks awesome.
Cocktail in the bush.
Oh,
They're good, aren't they? They're good, aren't they?
they are good. She's good to go. What do you reckon?
Yep.
All right, give us a fish.
Whack 'em on.
We're just going to whack them on. Guts, fish, head, gills, the whole lot. Oh, that fire's get hot.
Oh, yeah.
That looks good, doesn't it? Looks real good. So now, it's just a matter of sitting and waiting. And what happens is, so the fish is all sealed, which means all the moisture stays in the fish and it doesn't escape. The skin seals it all in, and then it just cooks in all that moisture and all that juice, and it makes the flesh really, really tender. So I found an old bush saw there, just sitting in that little humpy there, and I thought I'd make myself a bit of a bowl. All right, there's my coconut bowl. Just looking pretty good. I want to try and put the flesh inside my little coconut bowl. So we've made a coconut bowl here. Got out all the coconut, that's that stuff there. And I'm going to shave that into my bowl.
Oh, wow. Jesus, hot. I won't have a taste test, but I think it might be a tad on the hot side.
Is it good? All right, well, I'm just getting a bit of coconut going on in here. I'll need a bit of this flesh, and we'll put it in here like this. I'm going to mix that up like that with my coconut in there. And then I've got my Italian diced tomatoes. I'm going to put a bit of that in there. And then I'm going to mix it up. I even brought the salt, mate.
Well done.
There we go. Now that, here, mate, have a crack at that. You want a bit of that on yours?
Yeah, you go. You look into that one.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to have this one then.
I've got a bigger bowl.
All right. Oh. That is sensational. Well, there you go.
Beautiful. Absolutely.
So if you're on a desert island and you're marooned and got yourself some coconuts, you make some coconut fish and tomato
As long as you got some of that.
salsa. It's like a salsa, isn't it? As long as you got some of that, you reckon?
Fish is good by itself as well.
Yeah. Cheers, mate.
Looks like the custom boys weren't hungry. Must have already eaten.